why when we feel sad, anxious, stressful, tired, low energy, and need some places to relax, then the white, blue sky and blue sea come into our head automatically. If you are one of the beach lovers, you shouldn't miss this video. Hi, I'm Natasha and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do it right now. Consider subscribing so that you get notification every time the new video comes out. Any of us who are fortunate enough to visit the beach regularly would know how amazing the magical, relaxing powers of the blue space, the sound of the waves can help reducing our stress and physical and mental exhaustion. And here are neuroscientists' explanation on the benefit of visiting the beach regularly. The first one, it helps reducing stress. The blue sky, the sound of the waves, digging our toes into the sand, feeling of water when it hits our feet, all are nature's cure. The sea helps bringing out positive feelings that have the ability to make us feel at ease and happy. The second one, the beach helps reducing sadness and depression. The hypnotic sound of the waves, the bird songs, have the ability to put us into a meditative state of mind. It helps us clear our minds and help us indulge into the deepest part of the thoughts. And it ultimately helps us know the true nature of our minds. Because of staying in the chaos and hectic life can't help us doing so. The third one, the beach boosts our creativity. When our brains and minds are clear and unblocked, the positive and useful information and creativity flow independently in our minds. The beach acts as a system reset for our brains and helps us see our problems, works, or projects with a clearer view and more creative. And the fourth, the beach changes the overall perspective we see on life. The fresh air, the beauty of nature, the slow life, going into the deepest part of the thought, the simplicity of being alive, all these things we can never find in our bustling lives, the man-made system. Everything becomes at ease when we are in the embrace of nature. So, never isolate yourself from nature. Be unique, become a part of each other. Because the first and ultimate goal for a human is to be healthy and happy. So, pencil some time into your hectic schedule to spend more time nearby the beach. Honoring yourself, honoring nature, and honoring the world. Hey guys, how do you think about today's content? Just think out loud and leave your comment below and let me know what do you want to see in the next video. Hit like, subscribe and share it forward so that it will be support for me to create the next great video.